In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Mailchimp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look for the Audience drop-down menu on the left sidebar. When you click on it, you'll see an option for the Audience dashboard. Go ahead and select that. This will take you to a place where you can manage all of your contacts. Next, we're going to add your contacts. On the dashboard, you'll find a button that says Add Your Contacts. Click on that, and from the options that appear, choose the one that says Upload a File CSV. Once you select that option, just click on the Continue button to move to the next step. Now it's time to upload your CSV file. You'll see a prompt to browse your computer. Click on that and locate the .csv file you want to import into Mailchimp. Once you find it, select it and click Upload. After the file is uploaded, click on Continue to organize your contacts. This next step is crucial as you choose your contact status. You'll have the option to check a box that says Update any existing contacts. What this does is allow Mailchimp to update any duplicates in your audience list, ensuring you don't create duplicates if the contacts already exist. After making your choice, click Continue to tag your contacts. Assigning tags is optional, but it can be incredibly helpful for organizing your contacts later on. If you want to tag certain contacts, now is the time to do so. Just enter the desired tags and click Continue to go to the next step, which is all about matching. In this step, you'll match your CSV column headers to the correct Mailchimp fields. This mapping is important because it tells Mailchimp how to interpret the data in your CSV. Review the headers you've got against the fields provided by Mailchimp and make any necessary adjustments. After confirming that everything looks good, you'll see a final contact count summary. This gives you a last chance to review how many contacts you are importing to make sure nothing is off. Once you're satisfied, click the Finalize Import button. And that's it. Your CSV file is now imported into Mailchimp, and you've successfully added your contacts. Remember, you can always go back and check your audience dashboard to see all your contacts and how they're organized. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about using Mailchimp or other tools, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really supports